Entry 8, dated Tuesday, March 3rd, 1964. This is a pretty short entry, about half a page. Tell us what we're talking about here.
Here, the debate that I described a few minutes ago about taking interviews before depositions were initiated was being addressed in a set of procedures that we were developing to guide the lawyers who went forward on depositions in Dallas or elsewhere. We wanted to have a set of procedures including what their responsibilities were in dealing with local authorities and making reports regularly back to headquarters in Washington. And so those procedures continued to be discussed, and the debate continued. The resolution of it by the Chief Justice was 2 to 4 weeks in the future. So they went forward arguing intensively and soon got that response. Otherwise, the only reference there of interest is that I've reported that the jury that was adjudicating the department's prosecution of Hoffa for obstruction of justice was beginning to consider their verdict on the state, and that was an investigation that was very important to the Attorney General and the Department of Justice. It had engaged the talent of some of our most competent lawyers within the Criminal Division. It was a case where Hoffa had been initially prosecuted for a misdemeanor under the labor management laws of the United States. The jury was unable to reach a verdict, so he was not found guilty. In the course of that trial, he attempted to bribe not one, but perhaps as many as 5 witnesses, and that was discovered because we had an informant within the Hoffa camp that advised us and the FBI about the outreaches to members of the jury, and subsequently we prosecuted Hoffa for obstructing justice by these efforts to bribe members of the jury. As one of the leading litigators and counsel to the Teamsters Union said, later, only Hoffa could turn a misdemeanor into a felony so easily. And so the jury was out. I'd been involved in a minor way with respect to that trial. I ended up arguing in the Court of Appeals a year later with respect to the trial, but it was a celebratory occasion when the jury came in with a verdict a little bit later.
And we'll revisit this because you went to a party at Robert Kennedy's house as a result of this.